This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Ledger device to your iPhone. First, make sure your Ledger hardware wallet is fully charged and running the most recent firmware version. Next, download the official Ledger Live application directly from the Apple App Store onto your iPhone. Finally, activate Bluetooth on both your Ledger device and your iPhone to prepare for the pairing process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Now, let's pair your devices. Open the Ledger Live app on your iPhone and choose the option to set up a new device or connect your existing Ledger Nano. The app will then guide you through searching for available Ledger devices via Bluetooth. Once your device appears, select it. A unique pairing code will be displayed on both your iPhone and your Ledger screen. Confirm that these codes match to establish a secure connection. With your Ledger device successfully paired, you can now manage your cryptocurrencies. Within the Ledger Live app, you can easily add accounts for a wide range of digital assets, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. When sending or receiving crypto, remember that all transactions require physical confirmation on your Ledger hardware wallet, ensuring maximum security. You can also conveniently view your entire portfolio balance and transaction history right on your iPhone. To maintain the highest level of security, always keep your 24-word recovery phrase absolutely secret and stored in a secure, offline location. This phrase is the master key to your funds, so never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Furthermore, make it a habit to regularly update your Ledger device's firmware and the Ledger Live application to benefit from the latest security enhancements and features. Your vigilance is key to protecting your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.